Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I've brought this delicious recipe to make really tasty and yummy Singaporean rice. Do try this recipe as it turned out to be really sumptuous and delicious. You would surely like it. So for that you require some ingredients. Right now you can see here I'm using half kg boneless chicken with that certain other ingredients. Then for vegetables we require cabbage and carrots and capsicums, and apart from that you can use spring onions as well. I couldn't find spring onions, so I'm not using right now in the recipe, but you can add it up and they will surely add to the flavor. So first of all we are making the chicken gravy. I have used 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and now this is half kg chicken. I will cook it and then keep on mixing all the spices. You can change the quantity according to your choice. I've used 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon red chili powder. Then I'm using salt to taste, and then soya sauce 3 tablespoons. So you can increase or decrease the quantity as you like. व्यूअर्स आप इन इंग्रेडिएंट्स की क्वांटिटी को बढ़ा भी सकते हैं, कम भी कर सकते हैं अपनी पसंद के मुताबिक. In addition to all these ingredients, I've used vinegar as well, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and of course half cup of tomato ketchup. You can use any brand, कोई भी ब्रांड की केचप आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. और फिर इसको हमने कुक करना है properly 4 to 5 minutes. So we have to cook it, viewers, for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then it would be covered and cooked further for 4 to 5 minutes or until oil separates from the rest of the ingredients. So ये हमारा step 1 था, making of the chicken gravy for the Singaporean rice. Because after cooking the gravy, the second step is to cook the vegetables. For that I'm using carrot half cup, cabbage 1 cup, capsicum half cup. Apart from that you can also use spring onions to add more flavor, but I couldn't find the spring onions today, so I'm not using in this recipe. While cooking you have to add soya sauce 2 tablespoons, black pepper to taste, red chili powder to taste, and salt to taste, and mix it well, and then add 200 grams of already boiled egg noodles. Mix thoroughly, अच्छे तरीके से mix करें 200 grams egg noodles को. फोर्थ स्टेप है मेयो सॉस बनाने का. इसके लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ हाफ कप मायोनीज, 1/3 कप केचप और pinch of salt, थोड़ा सा नमक और थोड़ी सी black pepper and pinch of black pepper. Mix it well and pour in some bottle. Okay viewers, we have reached our 5th step, that is to fry green chilies and 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and then assemble all the ingredients, and on top of them just pour those fried garlic cloves and green chilies. So you can see the recipe is a little longer, but actually it's not difficult. Very easily you can cook the gravy, the vegetables, and then the other things, and you can assemble, and it's really yummy and it would really turn out to be delicious. Because if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, so please kindly quickly subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you would be notified about my latest recipes. Thank you.